Welcome to my channel, Ellington Banon. Javi, what do you feel here? Good swimming?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Javi, what do you feel here? Good swimming?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yeah, this is my friend, a good
From Cuba.
divers from Cuba. Yeah, good swimmer. He's a very good swimmer. Yeah, and good acrobatic guy. Yeah. Masarap maligo pero hindi ako nakadala ng ano ko, swimwear. No, it's time swimming and play water. Yeah. Maganda dito pero yeah. It's Joanna. Ininjans Joanna. Joanna. Ninjan ka? Oh. So wala sila, hindi sila dumating. Nag-Indian pana sila sa amin. So nothing to do, no? So we're just playing the water. Wala, nothing to do. Joanna is here. Sister here. Model siya. Model sa mga Ellington pa. Ininjan kami ni ano ni Po. So we're waiting about Anola, yes. About 30 minutes, no? We stay here like, I don't know where they are. We bring some food. Yeah. Got the donut, no? Just so wala sila. So let's enjoy the swimming and I don't know what to do swimming. So let's enjoy our off. Life is only once, not twice. Yes. Am I right?
Right.
Yes. Javier is our artist, best artist, good diver. And one for John. Swimming, swimming.
Ciao, Bebang.
So pauwi na kami mga Iribanbano. Tapos na kami naligo, no? Very fresh, relaxing. So we're going home. So ito yung gym namin. If you would like to go, it's a free. And uwi na kami, no? Pagod na. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Iring Banbanon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay. Thank you and God bless to everyone.